In the Frame. It is the end of Lisa and Alice's holiday. They are leaving the Hotel Oracle. They are leaving Greece. They are going to the airport. They are going home. Goodbye, Costas. Goodbye, Lenny. Thank you for our wonderful holiday. Come back to this island next year. Lisa and Alice are on the airport bus. The bus is stopping at another hotel. Some people are outside the hotel. They are going to the airport too. Look at that poor woman. She has 2 small children. She has a lot of luggage. And she has a pushchair. Let's help her. Lisa and Alice help the woman with her luggage. They help her with the pushchair. They help her with her children. I'm Lisa, and this is my friend Alice. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Alice. My name is Vera Brown. My children's names are Peter and Helen. I'm very worried. My husband is ill. He is in England. I must go to him. I'm going home. That's very sad news. I'm sorry, Vera. We're going to England too. We'll help you. Lisa and Alice are on the plane. Vera is on the plane too. She is sitting with her children. Look at this newspaper. Do you remember this painting? Yes, it's a painting from the island's museum. The artist is French. He's a famous French painter. Thief steals famous painting from island. The passengers are leaving the plane. Here we are in England, Vera. We'll help you at the airport. Thank you. You're very kind. Lisa, Alice, and Vera are in the airport. Alice is getting their luggage. This is our last bag. Now we have everything. Now we must go to customs. Please, I must go to the toilet. Vera is taking Peter to the toilet. Don't worry, Vera. I'll stay here. I'll stay with your luggage. Oh, thank you, Alice. Lisa, please go through customs with Helen. Wait for Alice and me in the cafe. Okay. Vera is at customs. A custom officer is searching her luggage. Alice hears the customs officers talking. She is surprised. That is Vera Brownlow. She's an art thief. She steals paintings. Yes, but there are no paintings in her luggage. Oh, a painting is missing from the island museum, and Vera is a thief. I must talk to these men. There is Alice. But where is Vera? Is she alright? Is Peter alright? Vera comes into the cafe. She is holding Peter's hand. Here we are at last. The customs officers are searching many travelers today. I'll take Helen in the pushchair now. My sister is going to meet me. She will help me with my luggage. Suddenly, there are customs officers and police officers in the cafe. One officer is searching the pushchair. He is looking in the frame. What is happening? Lisa, these are not Vera's children. They are her sister's children. Vera is an art thief. Do you remember the island's museum? Do you remember the stolen painting? The customs officers are looking for the stolen painting. The customs officers have the stolen painting. They are very pleased. Vera's sister has her children. She is very pleased too. Well done, Alice and Lisa. There is a big reward for this painting. You'll get the money. That's great. We'll go on another holiday next year.